world of work is shifting faster than ever. And here's the uncomfortable truth: 97 million jobs are set to be disrupted by AI by 2025, according to the World Economic Forum. Now, let me be clear. That doesn't mean 97 million people will be unemployed overnight. It means 97 million jobs as we know them today are going to look radically different tomorrow. Happy Transformation Thursday. I'm Amani, your career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and transform your skills so you can land not just any job, but your dream job in the AI era. And today, I want to give you both a warning and a strategy. The warning is simple. Certain careers are on the decline, but the strategy is empowering. You don't have to start over. You can pivot. We're already seeing entire categories of roles quietly fade into the background. Take data entry clerks, a role where AI now processes, cleans, and organizes information in seconds. What used to take hours can now be automated instantly. But here's the opportunity. Instead of vanishing, those skills can be upgraded into a role like a data quality analyst who supervises, validates, and interprets what the AI produces. The same thing is happening with telemarketing. AI chatbots and automated sales platforms now handle routine outreach, product demos, and even closing small deals. But a telemarketer who understands customer psychology can reposition as an AI sales strategist. Someone who designs scripts, manages escalation, and blends automation with empathy. And let's not forget payroll clerks. Payroll systems like ADP and Workday have already automated the heavy lifting. But here's the pivot. A payroll professional can evolve into an HR automation specialist, someone who implements AI into HR workflows and solves the complex cases automation misses. The same transformation is coming for customer service agents. AI can handle 70% of basic queries, but when emotions run high, humans step in. That's why the smarter path forward is to shift into roles like customer experience manager, someone who ensures bots handle routine work, while humans bring empathy, nuance, and problem solving. Even paralegals aren't immune. AI is reviewing documents, drafting contracts, and analyzing case law at lightning speed. But paralegals who pivot into AI compliance analysts, professionals who validate, interpret, and safeguard AI-driven legal work will remain indispensable. Here's the key. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing tasks. The winners will be those who learn to guide, supervise, and extend AI instead of ignoring it. So how do you pivot without starting over? The answer is what I call the 3P framework: position, proof, and practice. Positioning means reframing your role so you're not just a payroll clerk, but an HR professional using AI to reduce errors by 40%. It's about describing your value in terms of transformation, not routine. Proof is the next layer. Employers don't hire based on titles anymore. They hire based on evidence. That means you need to document your pivots. Share how you used an AI tool to cut reporting time. Post about a chatbot project that improved customer satisfaction. Visibility is proof. And finally, practice. You don't pivot in your head. You pivot by experimenting 10 minutes a day. Try one AI tool a week. Test it on your current tasks. Share what you learn. Over time, small habits turn into a new career identity. But what about education? Do you need to go back to school? The answer? Not always, but sometimes the right certification or degree is a launchpad. Business analysts, for example, don't need to abandon their field. They can evolve into AI transformation analysts, leading companies through change. Designers can pursue human-centered AI design, making sure tech actually works for people. Cybersecurity specialists can now specialize in AI-driven security, guarding against threats that new tools create. Healthcare professionals can step into healthcare data and AI ethics, bridging patient care with responsible tech. And in logistics, there's a growing need for robotics maintenance specialists who keep automated systems running smoothly. Degrees and certifications aren't the goal in themselves, they're the signal. What matters most is the skill you can show and the story you can tell about how you got it. And nothing brings this to life more than real stories. David, once a telemarketer, learned how to train chatbots instead of fighting them. Today, he's an AI sales strategist, earning more than he did during his career. Sarah, a paralegal, saw AI taking over contract review. Instead of panicking, she earned a certificate in AI compliance. Now, she leads AI oversight in her firm. Jose, once in customer service, started experimenting with chatbots. He didn't stop there. He positioned himself as the human layer of empathy AI could never provide. Today, he manages an entire customer experience team. These aren't hypotheticals. They're happening all around us. But here's the real risk: pretending your job is safe. AI doesn't erase work, it reshapes it. If you wait until the wave hits, you'll be scrambling. But if you pivot now, you'll be leading the change instead of chasing it. So let's make this practical. This week, I want you to take 3 steps. First, audit your role. Which of your daily tasks could AI already do? Second, test one AI tool that touches that task. And third, document what happens. Share it on LinkedIn, update your resume, or just write it down. That's how pivots begin. Not with giant leaps, but with daily choices. Here's the bottom line: AI isn't a threat to your career. It's an invitation to transform it. Don't wait until your role disappears. Pivot now. Layer AI on top of your current skills. Become the professional who thrives, not just survives. If this gave you clarity, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for weekly strategies to rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and land your dream job in the AI era. And share this with a friend who's nervous about their job security. Trust me, they need this today. And here's your sneak peek. Tomorrow is Feature Friday. We're diving into the AI degrees and credentials that could define the next decade of work. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you tomorrow.